Hey Primary 3 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into assessment paper number 15 and we are on question number 6. Now let's take a look at the question. It says here that Mrs. Siva, question number 7, sorry. Mrs. Siva bought 10 bunches of rambutans. Now, have you seen rambutans before? I bet you have. What color are they? They are red in color. So she bought 10 bunches of it. Why am I doing this? Because it's rambutan, so there's a lot of like hair around it. So this is rambutans. And she bought how many bunches? She bought 10 bunches. So what will I put? I'll put it as times 10 because there are 10 bunches. Now the next part, it says that there were 66 rambutans in each bunch. Okay, do you know what a bunch is? A bunch is basically a group of. So for example, if I were to draw for you a bunch of rambutans, it would look like this. Okay, so basically you have sticks. You have your little sticks over here, and of course you will have your rambutans around, and then it's called one bunch because they all are grouped into one. And in this each bunch, according to this question, there are actually 66 in one bunch. So in other words, we'll try to do this. There are actually 66 in one bunch. 66 in one bunch. And how many bunches does she have? She has 10 bunches. Okay, and it says now that if she shared the rambutans with 5 friends, how many rambutans did each friend get? So first of all, we need to find out how many rambutans does she have altogether. Am I right? Right. So first of all, she has 10 bunches of rambutans. So therefore, we have 10. Okay, how many rambutans are there in each bunch? There are 66. So 10 times 66 will give us how many rambutans there are in total. Whenever you multiply a number, any number, be it 66, 186, or whatever it is, when you multiply it to 10, what do? You just take the 0 and you put it behind the number. So as you can see here, we take 66, then we see the 0 here, we put it behind, and that's what we get. Okay, so 660. Very simple. Now the next step, it says that if I were to share this, Mrs. Siva were to share this with 5 friends, that means each friend were to get an equal number of rambutans. How many rambutans would each friend get? So there's 3, 4, and 5. So the total, we have to, what do? We have to divide by 5. So simply 660 divided by 5. So you do your working. 660 divided by 5. 1 times 5 gives you 6. Minus 5, you get 16. 5 times 3 gives you 15. So minus 15, and you have 10. 132. The answer is 132. Bam. So then we write our little statement which says, each friend of Mrs. Siva's, each friend will get how many rambutans? Did means past tense. So we write each friend got 132 rambutans. And that's it. Okay, so if you got that one right, high five to you because you are a math prodigy. Good job. And that brings me to the quote of the week. And the quote of the week is, if you really want to get it, you just have to repeat it. Repeat it. Repeat it. Once you keep hearing something over and over again, it just gets stuck in your head. Okay, so if equivalent fractions, what do? We multiply. If we want to get simplest form, what do? We divide. Now, imagine me saying this over and over again. After a while, you will just get it, and you really, really will make it a skill of yours. So you just have to repeat it over and over again if you really want to get that grade. With that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.